Hi, Christopher Neale, Director of Research, and I'm here to give you an update on the Parallel 41 Flux Network project. Again, this is a project that we initiated 3 or 4 years ago, and we've been able to enhance it with funding from the Irrigation Innovation Consortium and FFAR, and industry partners Lycor and the Climate Corporation. What we have out here are 3 of the 5 towers that the Climate Corporation donated, and we're testing them in this area in the Innovation Campus side by side and making sure everything's working so that we can put them out in the field next year in cornfields and production fields. The goal is to measure evapotranspiration, the crop water use, so that farmers can take better decisions on irrigation scheduling and the decision of when to apply the water. And ultimately we would like to tie this in with our satellite GlowDet product and use spatial ET anchored with the data coming from these towers so that we can serve that data online, and farmers and water managements in Nebraska can do a better job managing groundwater.